major concern of today is not losing the weight in spite of doing diet and exercise. Let's look into those hidden causes of intractable weight gain. The first cause could be following a fad diet, means a diet without a standard dietary recommendations. Some people, as part of losing weight, may follow a particular diet plan, such as a high protein diet, low carbohydrate diet, only fruits diet, only vegetable diets, etc. 10 days if you follow like this, I guarantee that you may reduce the weight in a week. But when you stop this and turn to a normal eating pattern, the lost weight will rebound. So it is important to plan a healthy, lifelong diet plan for weight loss. The second cause could be having a deficient calorie deficit. People do think that doing vigorous exercises will reduce their weight, hence no diet control is required. For example, a person who runs or walks or doing jogging or playing for 1 hour can burn approximately 150 calories. And after the play, we feel hungry and wanting something to eat. The designed diet plan may be of 2 rotis. But because of hunger, we eat more. 1 roti approximately gives us 150 calories, and by eating 3 rotis, we gain approximately 450 calories. But we have only burnt 150 calories by exercise. So intake of calorie is more than the burnt calorie. So no calorie deficit occurs. Calorie deficit means we should burn out more calories than the intake. So only diet and no exercise or vice versa won't help us in weight loss. Doing similar workout, that could be a third cause. Some people do complain that I am very strict with my diet and exercise, but I do not lose weight. One of the reasons could be doing the similar exercises. Our body gets adapted to the exercise that we do daily. Most of the housewives complain that they do activities throughout but are not reducing the weight. The reason could be of doing a similar exercise which can cause an adaptation to our body. So choose different modes of exercises. For example, on day 1 walking, day 2 jogging, day 3 running, and day 4 outdoor games, etc. Can plan in such a way for a better result. The fourth cause could be increased sugar consumption. Excess sugar is stored as glycogen in fat globules, in turn causing weight gain. The fifth cause could be of a late night dinner. The dinner time should be ideally within 7:30 p.m. As the metabolism is low at night, the consumed food is not utilized and stored as fat. So low quantity and early intake of dinner can reduce the weight. The sixth cause could be stress. It can be an important factor. Be away from negative people and people who demotivate us. Always be positive. And stress can induce this cortisol levels and increase the weight gain. Always follow a regular diet and exercise plan. Never expect for drastic weight loss in few days, which is harmful and not lasting. So, go slow and steady and we will win the race.